So a couple of months ago, I saw this interesting video by Matt Parker, stand-up comedy routine about spreadsheets. And I was going to write a post about this, but it was a bit tedious to go through the video and try to write down the quotes. So I looked over here, and if you press these three little dots, you'll see here it says Open Transcript. Now, not all videos have a transcript, but a lot of them do, or you can create a transcript. So we click on Transcript, Open Transcript, and now up in this area, what we have to do is scroll to the top. We want to scroll right there, right where the zeros are, highlight this and highlight all the way down to the part where you want to stop, or what I'm going to do is highlight everything all the way to the very bottom of the video. So we're almost there. So we have all of this. Control C to copy. Now we come over here to Excel, and Matt is telling us paste transcript text into cell A9. So I select A9 and I paste it. And now you see how in column A, the original transcript, we had the time and the text all mixed together, every other one. So these formulas over here in columns B to F rearrange all of that. So now we can hide this, and we have the time in column E, and column F has the text. Now, one last thing we have to do is we have to go back to the video, right-click, copy video URL, come back here. In cell E1, we're just going to paste in that link. Now we're ready to have some fun. So let's turn this on, and we see all these things here. What do they mean? Well, if you want to jump to a certain part of the transcript, go like this, type in, let's say, 3 minutes and 35 seconds, and then we press this hyperlink. It takes us to that part over here. So 3 minutes, 35 seconds is right in there in the middle. So that's where we are now. And we could put some comments here. What you can also do is click this video link, and they will take you back to this part of the video, 3 minutes and 35 seconds. The only downside is you might have to watch another ad, but that also works. Click this, go back into the video. So let's look at this part now. We can click H6, cell H6, and type in a keyword or a search word, and it will populate down here. And now Matt's telling us that the word spreadsheet, or it could be spreadsheets, occurs 42 times somewhere down here. So let's use, we don't want to have to scroll back and forth forever, so we're going to use this slicer. Click the slicer, and now we see all the occurrences of spreadsheet all together because the slicer has filtered our data. So we can see all of this. You could copy this and paste it somewhere else on another sheet. And you could also change the word here. Let's change this to, let's just change that to nerd. So go over here. I am going to just clear that and then select it again, and it's 7 times. We see Matt said the word nerd 7 times within his video. What else can we do here? So let's just clear that one more time. And if you scroll over to the right, I've just added some other things here, some nerdy stats and a link to my blog. But over here we have something that's kind of interesting. Approximate number of words per transcript line. So if you have different transcripts you're looking at, this is interesting. The higher the number probably means that they speak quicker and say more words. So this is totally free. You can customize it as you wish and have some fun. I would suggest each file is a different transcript, because if you copy this sheet, you might run into some problems with name ranges, that kind of thing. So just use the best habit of each file, each Excel file is for its own unique transcript.